I wanted to tell you about the booking process for a supercar experience that I got for my dad at Christmas time. Okay, I purchased the voucher on BuyaGift and it was relatively easy. They emailed me the voucher, to which I printed off and gave to my father in an envelope for Christmas. Okay, he was then ready to book it with me. So I went through the online booking process, to which was you go on to buy a gift, you enter the code that is provided with you in the email for booking, to which they then email you back again with the details of how to make that booking. And this was through a company called Supercar Chase Heroes, or rather Car Chase Heroes, but the experience was a supercar experience. So then I went onto the website again, popped in all the details there, chose the date. Also, you select the time slots that you would like your vehicle for. So you select the vehicles, including the time slots at this stage. And then was a little bit surprised, did find out there was a few hidden extras like the insurance, to which my father wanted to do, and a daily surcharge for the grounds that we picked. Because we picked quite a busy and popular one, we had to pay a surcharge. So I completed that, which was fine. And really that was it. We turned up on the day and this is what happened on our day. I hope you enjoy watching. Okay, so we've just arrived here at a supercar experience. It's called Car Chase Heroes. There's all the cars behind me. There they are, all lined up. They look like matchstick cars. And this is my dad's experience. There's all the cars lined up over there. I counted, there are around 30 different vehicles over there. There's even some behind there. I can see Dom's Charger right at the right hand side, the far right. That's one my dad's going to go in. The bright orange Lamborghini right in the middle there is the second car. There's an Audi over there, which is an R8, is the third car. And I believe it's hiding behind the truck, which is the Aston Martin. I can't really see it along the line. I may be wrong. So we're at Dunsfold Park airstrip. Wonder if we can see any planes coming in. I can hear them. They're up in the clouds somewhere. It's quite nice here.
Shade birds, please. Shade birds. Nathan Jones, please. Nathan Jones. David Brush.
really good bit. You're about to see a video of us having it's a driving speed experience that they even allowed me to accompany my dad during this. So I filmed this and I'm going to add this on now. So off we go. Okay, we've just done the experience and it's just starting to rain. You can see the spots on the window. Storm Dennis is on its way, so thankfully we've missed it. So, yay!